City. Traveling alone from Manila. Okay, just arrived in Davao City. Ito yung airport nila. Okay, palabas na ako sa airport ng Davao. I'm already here in Davao and hindi ko alam saan palabas dito. Sige, magta-taxi na lang ako. Yung distance from here to my Airbnb is around 45 minutes as per Google Maps. Pero I'm not sure kung magkano kaya magko-cost dun sa taxi. Magta-taxi na lang ako. I think I have no choice here but to take a taxi. Okay, so nag-taxi na lang ako. It's been a while since nakapag-taxi ako. So ngayon nakapag-meter taxi ako. Kakababa ako lang sa taxi and hinahanap ko na yung apartment. Ito na yata. Para siyang residential area dito. Self-check-in pala siya. I think apartment to. May AC, okay. May workstation. I need this. Unlock this. Ayan. Pahinga muna ako and later mamayang hapon pupunta ako sa town. Actually sa city proper lang itong area ng Airbnb na kinuha ko. Yeah. Lakad-lakad lang mamaya. Pahinga muna konti. Bye-bye. Oh, hello. It's already 7:30 PM and I'm here outside sa Rojas Night Market sa Davao City. Ang daming pagkain.
Hi, barbecue hawan diri Dua na sila
Ito yung sena dito. Daming pagkain and it's a long stretch. Ito siya dito. Magandang area kaso lang the water is dirty. Dumi niya. And nangangamoy. Pero maganda siya. Especially ngayong gabi. Dito to sa Rojas Street. May Rojas Night Market. Yan. Night Market sa Davao City. May mga ukay-ukay. May mga pagkain. Mga cellphone accessories. Ayan. Maganda siya. Kaso madumi yung tubig ito dito. Sayang. But I like the place. And look, may papakita ako sa inyo. That's the most hated restaurant. Dito ako ngayon sa Davao City, just walking around the streets here. And I was recommended to go to the Crocodile Park. So let's go to the Crocodile Park. And as per Google, the easiest way to get there and the cheapest way is through taxi. Maghihintay tayo ng taxi, mag-aabang tayo ng taxi dito. Parang walang mga taxi dito. Hanap tayo ng taxi. May taxi, may pasahero. Okay, nakasakay ng taxi. Okay. Ay, magkano? Ay, 450. So, nakala 50. Wait. Ito na lang. So, 450 pala yung entrance fee. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so I'm here in Crocodile Park. Kinatakan ako. 450 pesos yung entrance. So, I don't know what to expect here. Oh, merong buhaya. Mga snakes. Area na to. Mga snakes. Hindi na siya well maintained kasi yung glass niya madumi. Makikita yung snake. Ang bird. Ito lizard, pero hindi ko makita na maayos kasi hindi malinis yung glass. Ayun yung lizard. Ito yung buntot. May deer dito. I don't know, is it a deer? Basta mammal na rin. It's a bird from Jurassic Park. Aggressive daw siya. Stand back. Another aggressive animal. Where you? Ayan. There you go. Okay. May orangutan. Hindi ko in-expect to dito. Oh my God. Kawawa sila. I feel bad for them. Bakit sila andyan? Oh my God. Hindi ko ito in-expect dito. Grabe. Nag-eye-to-eye pa kami. Oh my God. Kawawa naman siya. I feel bad for him. Laro yata siya. He's in. What the hell? Amazing. I'm getting a weird kind of feeling seeing someone, a human-like creature na nakakulong. I'm not very happy to see him there, pero I think he doesn't care. It was quite an experience. Hindi pa tayo sa ibang animals. Kakaiba yung ano. Okay. Just the usual birds. You wanna see some ass? Okay, dito na yung crocodile. Ayan siya. Another crocodile. And meron din dito. And those are real crocodile. So, aakyat tayo dito para makita natin closer yung crocodile. Okay. Do not enter crocodile feeding in progress. Hindi. Kasi. Okay. Oh, shit. Dalawa pala to. Oh my God. Hala, what's happening? My God. Shit. Okay, medyo marami sila dito pero nasa tubig sila. Hihintay lang nila mahulog ako. So they could eat me. Oops. One is nag-emerge ng isa. Ito may sarili siyang own puddle or own swamp. God, mas marami dito. Ang dami. God, mas marami sila dito. Look at them. Yung isa nakadilip talaga yung mata niya. Look at the eye. Tapos yung isa nakabuka na yung bibig. Just waiting for a bird or something. Para kainin niya. Nakabahan ako ngayon kasi I'm so close to the crocodile. I'm just literally beside them. Oh my God, someone's moving. Look, he's ready to eat me. He's fresh from the water. And kakaahon niya lang from... Oh, what's happening? Shit. Mga malalaki. So I'm just literally beside this big crocodile. Just chilling. This one's moving. Dun siya sa tubig niya. This one's peacock. Dito ostrich pero they don't look so healthy. Oh my God. Malapit sa akin. Don't attack me. Sorry. May sinasabi siya. Okay. He's trying to tell something. there's another show here. Kanina yung tiger na pinapakain nila ngayon. I don't know what this show is about, pero medyo pambata siya, pero sige, I'm gonna watch it. Sayang.
Are you ready to fly? And there you go. Now, what a query. And that is Mr. Bill. So, yung anak mo natin, okay?
Okay, so it's already 5 p.m. and I'm done with my tour here sa park, Crocodile Park. I'm going to my next destination. I'm not sure where. Okay, palabas na ako dito sa park and yeah, tapos na dun. I think pupunta ako sa Jack's Ridge. Yun yung nirecommend ng taxi driver kanina. So palabas ako dito, mag-aabang ng taxi, magta-taxi lang ako papunta dun. So this is Jack's Ridge. I don't know what's in here. Ito lang nirecommend ng mga tao. Maganda raw dito. I don't know. Tingnan natin. Overlooking daw yung Davao City dito. Ayun. Apparently this is a park overlooking the entire city, Davao City. Historical pala tong Jack's Ridge. I-pause nyo na lang to see the history. Something about the Americans and Japanese war. It's World War II. Pero there's really nothing much to see here except the overlooking view of the city. So yun, so I think babalik na lang ako sa iba or magko-coffee. So I'm leaving this place now. Sana may taxi dito. I'm here now sa DGT Davao. So, it's like a development dito into a city, pero hindi pa talaga siya tapos. Parang BGC ganun. Wala pang masyadong buildings pero ongoing pa yung constructions. I'm gonna look for something to eat for coffee. This is ito na lang, pick up coffee. Coffee para ma-energize. Okay, dito may kainan sa part na to, sa DGT night market. Merong mga ukay-ukay and papasok ako ngayon dyan. Okay, so this is DGT. Pauwi na ako naglalakad and it so happened na dito rin dadaan sa People's Park, Davao. So gabi na, it's 8 p.m. Wala nang masyadong tao dito.